or my software engineer. In this video we can learn about number format exception. So here what I'm trying to do, I want to convert a string to a number. Okay, so I have written one string. Okay, and that I trying to convert to the integer. Okay, let's see what will happen. Let's try to run this application. Oh, I'm getting a number format exception. Okay, why I'm getting this number format exception? So developer, that one is a text. Okay, the text means the ABCD alphabets, anything character. Okay, so one is a text. Okay, we cannot convert to the int, so that's why it's saying a number format exception. Whatever you have given the format of number, it is incorrect. Okay, let me correct. Let me make it 100, and now I'm going to run the application. Before that, let me print. Okay, so I saved it. Now I'm running. Yeah, we can see the 100. So we resolved the number format exception, but in a real time, so how we gonna do this? So we don't know if it is the real time project, or it is in production. So we need to write with the help of try catch. Okay, like this. Okay, now let me rewrite. Okay, now here I will write the number format is incorrect. Okay, now this is correct as expected, but here I write 100, save it and rerun it. So the number format is incorrect. Okay, let me do 1 2 3, and I have added k. We know, right? If I add 10k means it's a 10,000, but Java won't understand this kind of language. Okay, for that we need to add like this 10,000, then only Java will understand. Okay, so we are passing it as string type, and we are converting it to the integer. Okay, if you do anything with this format, then Java will throw number format exception. Thank you guys.